Alright, this is the elevator here at the Galerías Mall in Monterrey, Mexico. Now, this elevator was first an Otis Lexan. I'm sure you remember this one from 2021. And in 2021, this was already replaced with this Otis Gen2 from 2017. So yeah, this is going to be in a much better take. So we have your Otis Gen2 from 2017, and then it's still glass. We get this new exterior, and here it is. And I do remember back in 2015, this was an Otis Lexan, and I think around 2015 to 2016, it was already out. So yeah, and then around 2015, 2016, it got replaced with the with this. So we're gonna go down to PV, and it's an Otis Gen 2 from 2015. Here we're at the lower level. There's security. I don't want to get them on picture. So yeah, since the sube, ¿verdad? Gracias, hermano. No, qué amable. Ahí se canceló. Ahí menos. Ahí está. ¿Qué te haces? Excelente día, Gracias, igualmente, hermano. Cuídate. Alright. So yeah, alright, down the... Well, it's taking a while to respond. It just lags a lot, so we're gonna look at the numbers now. So yeah, 10 years later, we are still doing a retake of this. Here at PV. And unfortunately, we're not gonna get a cab view. But okay. Unfortunately, guys, we're not able to get a cab view. So, all right. Well, anyways, let's watch it. There it goes. Let's watch it go. All right. And my apologies that I'm unable to get the cab view. And there's your counterweight. So, all right. Well, anyways, there you all have it, and that's it.